Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am very happy today to be partnering again with LUISA. They've sent me some items. The video is not sponsored, but they have sent me these beautiful items again. And I can't wait to share them with you because you know, if you've been around my channel for a little while, how much I love this brand. And they have sent some gorgeous items for me to share with you, ready for Valentine's Day, and Galentine's Day is the day before Valentine's Day. So I would most definitely be treating myself to these items if I was single, but if you are not and you're looking for something to purchase for your partner, then one of these may be right up your street. I'm also going to link below my other LUISA videos that I have filmed because there might be something in there that you see that might spark your interest for a purchase. So these pieces are a fantastic gift idea for either yourself or somebody you love. And at the moment, until Valentine's Day, there is 15% off. So just before I show you these items, if you've been here before, like I said, you know why I love this brand so much. They are 100% carbon neutral whilst being able to send beautiful packaging. The quality of these items as well is exceptional. They make these in small batches as well, so it ensures the highest production quality whilst eliminating the waste. I wear some of my LUISA pieces every day and there is no wear and tear, and their prices start, I'm opening this already as if I'm going to show you, but the prices start at $39 and you can get yourself or somebody that you love a really beautiful gift. So to get 15% off of these products, you need to go to annaluisa.com/GregoryVD for Valentine's Day, and that will get you 15% off. The link for these items is in the description box below as well, but let's have a little look at one of the first items that I have got here. So I have got 4 pieces, and as I said, my LUISA collection is beautifully growing and the links for the other items are down below. However, this one, if you follow my channel, you will know that I've had a difficult journey in conceiving due to my endometriosis. And this one is a very special one from me to me, or from LUISA to me, but it is the Mama necklace, and I just absolutely fell in love with this. I have never liked a necklace that had a name on it before, and the font on this and the size of it I thought was really classy and something that I could see a lot of people wearing. So reflective as well, so I'm going to undo this. So this necklace is 14 karat gold on brass, and the length of this is 15 inches or 38 centimeters. There's an extender on it that's an extra 2 inches. It is super light, it's only 2.9 grams. Hypoallergenic, as is everything else with this brand. And this is just so charming if you do have a partner that is a mum or to be a mum, then this would be such a lovely gift for them that I think they would absolutely adore, or something that you can buy for yourself. And with the 15% off, this necklace is £42, so grab it now. The next item that I have got is a pair of absolutely stunning freshwater pearl earrings. These are so beautiful. They are 4mm, they're 0.2 grams, and the plating on the stud of this is a 14 karat gold as well. And something that I really appreciate about these earrings is when you've got a stud, they come with the small piece that sort of goes onto the very back so that it doesn't dig into your ear. Just something that I think is an extra little bonus. They are hypoallergenic so that you can wear them all day long, and I don't think I said it, but they're sterling silver with the gold plating on top. They are so chic and delicate, an everyday wearable piece, and such a lovely gift, I think, for yourself or for someone that you love. And pearls are always a classic, aren't they? And I have been after some pearls for my collection for the longest time, so these are just beautiful. Something as well that I think you could style up with anything from a beautiful dress in the summertime to some cashmere jumpers in the winter. These type of things look really great when you've got high necks on as well. It's just that little something that looks sophisticated without being too huge on your ears. The next item then I have selected to go along with the earrings, so I thought this would be a really lovely set if you wanted to give the two items. And this is called the Mini Naomi. There is a larger one of these on the websites as well, and this is £37 with the 15% off. This is stunning. This is so beautiful. It's 14 karat gold, again an organic freshwater pearl. The length of this is 15 inches and it's got the little extender on it again, so you can choose 3 different heights for your necklace. It's 1.7 grams and again is hypoallergenic, and such a feminine and elegant piece that I think you can wear on its own but beautifully matches with the earrings. And I thought this, a set together, would be such a stunning gift for you to give to somebody. And again, something that looks beautiful over jumpers, just like this jumper dress that I have on today, but against the bare skin as well. I think in summer with a lovely dress, this is so dainty that I think it's just going to be that little bit of something special. And then the final item that I have is another necklace, again with the 15% off, and then this is something that will be really good for somebody who likes to layer their necklaces or has that something special already at home that they would like to add to a beautiful chain. This one is called the Laura Slim, and they do a bolder version of this, and the reason I was attracted to this one is because it's really beautiful when it's reflecting the light. It's 14 karat gold on brass, hypoallergenic, and again it's got the extenders on the back, and this actually feels really well made. The length of this is 40 centimeters and the extender on it is another 2 inches, 5 centimeters, and it's 4.2 grams this one. So an essential item for either layering or wearing alone.
You can pick all of these items up for 15% off until Valentine's Day by clicking the link in the description box below and also going to analuisa.com/GregoryVD. There are links below as well for the other Ana Luisa videos that I have done, just in case there's something that catches your eye here. But I hope all of you are well and that you're having a great day. Take care, stay safe, and I will speak to you all very soon. Goodbye, everyone.
And